Patio butterfly garden success. Yay! Hi, I'm Alice, and I'm happy to report that the butterfly garden pot is a success. Butterflies are coming. Wanted to get a close-up so you could see this beautiful black swallowtail. In an earlier video, attract butterflies to your patio butterfly garden. While I was filming, I noticed a caterpillar on one of the nectar plants. On closer look, it was the caterpillar of the black swallowtail butterfly. Check out what happened. That would be a beautiful pot. Just 3 salvias in a 16-inch pot. And lots of attraction for pollinators. Oh my goodness, look what I found. It's a caterpillar, not a butterfly yet, but right here on this branch, it looks like it's going to go and form a cocoon. Caterpillar that I brought home from the nursery, it was riding on one of these host plants, which is a curly leaf parsley. Down below is our caterpillar. Let's take a look. There he is, hard at work. Well, I've been looking off and on all day, and it's now 6 hours since I first noticed that the caterpillar was starting to form a cocoon, and here it is. And if you didn't know it, you would think at first look that it was just part of a leaf. The black swallowtail has come out and he's resting, getting ready for his first flight. And to me, this is amazing because I was looking for his cocoon and I couldn't find it, and I thought a frog ate it. So here he is, and he may open his wings to get a little more sunshine on them and then take off. And what's a miracle is that only about 5% of butterfly caterpillars make it to the adult stage. So he made it. Hooray, garden, yay! Testing his wings, check that out. He's opening them more. They're drying off. He's gaining strength. And I should say he or she will be taking off as soon as strong enough to fly. Can't keep the butterfly away from the pentas. Look at that. A bonus benefit. Other species of butterflies are showing up to nectar on the plants in the butterfly garden. Look, there's the butterfly. Busy at work on the blue salvia. So the butterfly garden pot is in the right place, full sun. The butterflies have found it and coming. See if we can get a closer look at our butterfly. There it is. Here's a butterfly on my butterfly garden pot. Green. I'm out here on the porch, and I just thought I saw a skipper, a brown skipper butterfly. There he is on butterfly nectarine. And the little skipper is still there. He's moved. It's hard to see him with the background, the dark background. Hopefully I can move around. Oops, there he went. Checking out all the plants. There are 3 keys to attract and keep the butterflies in your garden. Number one, right plants, nectar plants and host plants. The nectar plants are best if there's something that's tubular and another kind that has a flat open face or landing pad. This attracts the most varieties of butterflies. Number two, color. Butterflies are attracted and searching for specific colors of flowers. Each color emits an ultraviolet frequency that the butterflies with their 6,000 lenses in their eyes are searching for. Red, pink, orange, yellow, blue, and purple. 3, expand the opportunities for plants, both the nectar and the host plants, in your patio, your balcony, or your yard. Instead of one pot, if you can manage 3, that would be great. In your yard, 3 to 5 different spaces around your garden area where you plant both host plants that are specific for specific butterflies and nectar plants with the right colors. If you've had experience attracting butterflies to your yard or your balcony or patio, I would love to hear about it. Please leave me a friendly comment below. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. If you've not seen these videos, you may enjoy watching them next. And if you've not subscribed to Garden Yay, I invite you to subscribe. This is where I share practical gardening tips and information to help you be a successful gardener. See you in the next video.